Thermacell has introduced the LIV 2.0, a new mosquito repellent system designed to provide coverage for large outdoor spaces through a permanently installed network of repellent devices. According to reports from Notebook Check, the Thermacell LIV 2.0 is the latest version of the company's outdoor mosquito control system. Unlike portable mosquito repellents, the LIV platform is designed as a home installation that can be integrated into patios, decks, gardens, and other outdoor living areas. The company says the system is intended to create a mosquito-reduced zone without relying on traditional sprays applied directly to people. The new version arrives with updated hardware, expanded coverage options, and additional smart home functionality. According to Thermacell's published information, the LIV 2.0 system can be configured to cover outdoor spaces of up to 3,000 square feet, depending on the number and placement of repellent units. The system works by distributing a mosquito repellent compound through multiple devices connected to a central hub. When activated, the units release repellent into the surrounding area, creating what the company describes as a protective zone designed to reduce mosquito activity. According to reports, one of the key upgrades in the LIV 2.0 system is improved installation flexibility. The devices can be integrated into various outdoor layouts, allowing homeowners to position units around seating areas, dining spaces, walkways, and garden sections.
The system also supports smartphone control through a dedicated mobile application. Users can reportedly activate, schedule, and monitor the system remotely. According to Thermacell, compatibility with selected smart home platforms is also available, allowing the system to be incorporated into broader home automation routines. The company states that the LIV 2.0 is intended for residential outdoor environments where mosquito activity can affect comfort during gatherings, outdoor dining, and recreational activities. As with many pest control products, effectiveness may vary depending on environmental conditions, local mosquito populations, weather, wind, and installation configuration. Thermacell has not positioned the product as a complete elimination system, but rather as a method of reducing mosquito presence within designated coverage areas. The system is expected to require periodic replacement of repellent cartridges as part of normal operation. Pricing may vary depending on system size, installation requirements, and regional availability. From a broader perspective, products such as the LIV 2.0 reflect growing consumer interest in automated outdoor comfort solutions that can be integrated into smart home ecosystems. The combination of large area coverage and app-based controls may appeal to homeowners seeking alternatives to traditional mosquito control methods. For now, the Thermacell LIV 2.0 expands the company's approach to outdoor mosquito management with larger coverage areas and enhanced smart home features. Additional information regarding long-term performance and user experiences is likely to emerge as the system reaches more households.